Hello friends, welcome back to my channel FinStop. Friends, today I am here with a potential multi-bagger stock which holds all your shares in dematerialized form, that is in demat form. The stock is none other than Central Depository Services India Limited CDSL. CDSL is a market infrastructure institution and it forms a crucial part of capital market structure. It provides services to all market participants, exchanges, clearing corporations, and depository participants, issuers, and investors. CDSL is the depository for Bombay Stock Exchange. CDSL holds all the securities in the dematerialized form, that means in the demat account form, and it enables all the securities transactions. This stock CDSL has given tremendous returns of 319.48% in the last 1 year, and recently from July 8th to July 19th, the stock has jumped by 50%. Presently, it is getting cooled off. Friends, as Indian market is in growth phase, CDSL has huge potential to give multi-bagger returns in future. CDSL is the first depository to reach 4 crore demat accounts. So friends, let us analyze this stock completely, and in the end I am going to give levels and targets. Friends, before going into this video, I would suggest you to watch my playlist on multi-bagger stocks. I have made several videos on Praj Industries, Happiest Minds, Newland Laboratories, Laurus Labs, Tata Elxsi, etc. I am giving the video link in the description box and also in the I-bar section. Please have a look. Don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Now let's see the details about company. CDSL is a depository services limited which facilitates holding and transacting securities in the electronic form, that is in the demat form, and it also facilitates for settlement of trades on Bombay Stock Exchange. CDSL was established in the year 1999 and stock was listed on exchanges in 2017. Its headquarters is located at Mumbai. CDSL has 3.96 crores investor accounts. 588 depository participants are listed with CDSL. Number of securities in demat custody are 4,95,622 million. CDSL is known for convenience, dependable and secured. CDSL is the first listed depository in Asia and it is first depository to launch operations in IFSC and GIFT City, and it has highest number of beneficiary owners, that is BOs, and it is a commodity repository also, and it is known for ease of doing business. CDSL has commenced its business in 1999 and in the year 2002 to 2004 it has launched services like Easy and Easiest. In 2012, Mr. UK Sinha, the SEBI chairman, has launched CDSL Ventures KRA, the India's first and largest KYC registration agency, and in the year 2017 it became the first listed depository in the Asia Pacific region, and it has got largest number of demat accounts opening in 1 month in the year 2020 in the COVID pandemic time, and in the year 2021 it has achieved a milestone of 4 crore demat accounts. Now let's see its top management. Balakrishna V. Chauval is the chairperson of CDSL. Before joining CDSL, he was the Deputy Managing Director of State Bank of India and is also a Certified Associate of Indian Institute of Bankers. And Mr. Nehal Vora is the CEO and Managing Director of CDSL. CDSL under his leadership as the MD and CEO has become the leading depository of India with over 2 crore beneficiary accounts and is the first and the only depository to launch its branch in International Financial Service Center IFSC at the GIFT City, Gandhinagar. Friends, now let's see its business model. To explain its business model, I made a simple block diagram. Suppose you are an investor and you want to buy some shares. You should go to any exchanges like Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange. But before that, you need to open a demat account through any depository participants. Depository participant DP are nothing but your stockbrokers like Zerodha, Grow, Upstocks, Angel, etc. These depository participants will help you to open a demat account. If you buy any share in any exchange, shares will be credited into your demat account. And this demat account will be held by any of the depositories, that is CDSL and NSDL. CDSL is the depository limited for Bombay Stock Exchange and NSDL is the depository for National Stock Exchange. These depositories are responsible for holding your securities like shares, mutual funds, debentures, etc. in demat form. So friends, I hope you got a clear idea of CDSL. If you want CDSL details in detail, you can also watch my playlist on Basics of Stock Market series. I am giving the video link in description box and also in the I bar section. Please go through it. Friends, if you see the chart, the net account opened by CDSL, it has risen from 6 lakhs in April 2020 to 16.65 lakhs in March 2021. A tremendous growth. CDSL provides services like facilitation of annual general meetings through video conference, email updation, EDIS, electronic instruction platform for depository participants, and it also provides easy service, that is electronic access to securities information to all beneficiary owners to monitor their CDSL Demat accounts from anywhere and at any time. CDSL also provides services like My Easy mobile app, eKYC, Know Your Customer Norms, M-Voting, mobile application for e-voting, eCAS, consolidated account statement to view all your capital market investments together. It also provides smart SMS alerts related to all your transactions. Easiest, it allows beneficiary owners to submit their debit transactions. And it serves e-voting, that is paperless voting for all your shareholders so that you can vote on your company's resolutions from home. And you can easily open your Demat account with the help of depository participants, that is your stockbrokers. All your securities can be stored in Demat form in the CDSL. Friends, CDSL gets income for providing all these services to customers, mainly in the form of transaction charges and depository participant charges from depository participants and companies. There are 4 group companies of CDSL. They are CDSL IFSC Limited, CDSL Ventures Limited, CDSL Commodities Repository Limited, and CDSL Insurance Repository Limited. Friends, Indian market is an emerging market. In the coming years, more number of depository participants, more number of companies will get listed, and more number of investors will come into the market. So the business of CDSL will keep on growing. So we can say that business model of CDSL is excellent. Now let's see the past returns given by this company. In the past 1 year, the stock has risen tremendously by 319.48%. That means if you have invested 1 lakh before, it would have become 4,19,000. The stock has listed in July 2017. From that time, the stock has given a tremendous returns of 418%. That means stock has multiplied your capital by 4 times. So friends, as the chart pattern is rising, we can expect that stock may give multi-bagger returns in future. Now let's see its financials. Stock has market cap of 14,163 crores and it is a purely debt-free company, and it has got free cash flow of 72.8 crores. If you see the profit and loss statement, the sales has consistently increased from 104 crores in March 2010 to 344 crores in March 2021. That means a growth of 3 times. And if you see the net profit, it has grown from 49 crores in March 2010 to 200 crores in March 2021. That means the profit has jumped by almost 4 times. Sales growth and profit growth is excellent. If you see a clear picture, revenue from operations, it has been consistently increased from 58.41 to 59.89 from quarter 1 to quarter 4 in last financial year 2020. If you see the present financial year 2021, it has increased from 65.27 crores to 103.09 crores. If you see the profit growth in the financial year 2020, it has increased from 27.91 to 28.14. In the financial year 2021, it has increased from 46.72 crores to 51.64 crores. If we see the income breaker in the quarter 4 financial year 2021, every charges has been increased. Transaction charges, IPO corporate action, annual issuer charges, online data charges, CAS charges, other operational income, everything has increased both quarter on quarter and year on year. If you see the compounded sales growth, over 10 years it has grown by 14%, 5 years 23%, 3 years 22%. In the trailing 12 months, it has grown tremendously by 53%. If you see the compounded profit growth, it has grown by 15% over 10 years, 24% over 5 years, 25% over 3 years, and trailing 12 months it has grown by 89%, which is insane. If you see the return on equity, over 10 years it has grown by 17%, over 5 years 19%, over 3 years 20%. In the last year, ROE is 25%, which is excellent. So friends, by looking at company's sales growth, profit growth, return on equity ratio, we can say that company's financials are very strong. Now let's see its shareholding pattern. Promoter has 20%, mutual funds has 7%, foreign portfolio investors has 8%, banks, financial institutions has 12%, and others has 53%. This data is as of March 2021. Recently, foreign institutional investors has increased its stake in June quarter by 15.49% and domestic institutions has increased by 17.25%. So friends, as foreign institutions and domestic institutions are keep on buying this stock, we can expect huge growth in future. Now let's see its competitive advantages. CDSL is literally a monopoly. It has unique business model. CDSL is India's leading securities depository. It has got wide network of depository participants. It has got robust income margins. So friends, monopoly business, company's wide network of DPs and robust income margins will give excellent competitive advantage to CDSL. Now let's see its key risk. Competition may get increased if NSDL gets listed on exchange. Also, if Indian economic growth process is stagnated, it will become a risk to this company. Now let's see its future growth prospects. Company's monopoly business, the growing Indian economy, listing of more and more newer companies and depository participants. The craze of stock market will drive more and more investors into the market. Stock market as an investment tool will create huge growth opportunity for CDSL. So friends, by looking at all these factors, we can say that future outlook of CDSL is very bright. Now let's see its valuation. Company's PE is 70.7 whereas industrial PE is 25.71. That means stock is overvalued. Company's price to book value is 18.49 whereas sector PB is 2.29. The stock is overvalued. Presently the stock is overvalued. If the stock gets corrected and if you find the stock at reasonable valuation, try to grab this opportunity and buy the stock for long term. Now let's see the levels and targets. If we see the chart of CDSL, the stock is presently in lower circuit. RSI is raising towards 60. The stock may correct further to levels of 1230 to 1250. Now let's see some levels and targets for both positional traders and long-term investors. The present market price is 1355 and resistance levels are 1581, support levels are 1260, 1230 and 1100. Targets are T1 1450, T2 is 1550 and target 3 is 1800. If you can keep stop loss at 900 and hold the stock for 3 to 12 months. Friends, if you are a positional trader, invest your money partially and each and every support level and hold the stock for 3 to 12 months to achieve these targets. If you are a long-term investor, try to pick the stock at each and every support level and at each and every dip and hold the stock for minimum period of 10 to 15 years to get you multi-bagger returns in future. So friends, by looking at its strong management team, excellent business model, excellent competitive advantages, strong financials, and future growth prospects, we can say that CDSL has huge potential to give multi-bagger returns in future. A small disclaimer friends, levels, targets and stock recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before taking an investment decision. Friends, I will come up with another multi-bagger stock in coming days. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.